In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tooltips to a dimension in Tableau, all within just 5 minutes. To get started, you'll want to open the Tableau app on your computer. If you're not familiar with Tableau, it's a powerful tool that allows you to connect, visualize, and share data in an interactive and easy to understand way. So, if you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're in, the next step is to access your worksheet. This should be the worksheet that you plan to work with for this particular visualization. Take a moment to navigate through your existing workbooks or start a new one if you're beginning fresh. Having your worksheet open and ready is essential, as this will serve as the foundation for the visual you'll create. Now that your worksheet is up and running, it's time to create a visual. Begin by dragging your sales measure to the column shelf. This action lays the groundwork by placing sales data across the horizontal axis of your visualization. After placing sales in columns, you're going to do the same with profit. Drag the profit measure right into the columns next to sales. This step adds another layer of insight by bringing in profitability information alongside sales data. Then you'll want to introduce more dimensionality by dragging the segment dimension onto the rows shelf. This action will break down your sales and profit data into various market segments, allowing you to see the distinct patterns or trends emerging within each market segment. On top of that, let's add the ship mode dimension to the rows shelf as well. Adding ship mode to your visualization gives another perspective on how different shipping methods might affect your sales and profits. By now, your screen should be displaying an informative visual representation of your data, segmented by customer and shipping categories. This setup is crucial because the next step enables you to enhance the user experience further. As you hover over different parts of your visualization, you'll notice that tooltips automatically appear. These tooltips provide a brief snapshot of important information related to each section of your data, enhancing how you digest the insights at a glance. Finally, you might want to customize these tooltips to include exactly what you find most pertinent. You can do so by clicking on the Tooltip button within the Marks card. This feature allows you to adjust the information that appears when hovering over your visual elements, so you're only displaying the details that matter most to you or your audience. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've added interactive and informative tooltips to your Tableau visualization, making your data stories more compelling and easier to understand. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.